Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Paralives game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable autosave within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Paralives on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change your autosave settings, go ahead and click on the settings option. Now, from the settings tab, make sure that you are within the general section, and you will then see the enable autosave option. By default, this is turned off, but you can turn it on by simply clicking on the toggle. This will then enable autosave within your game. Then you can simply close this option, which will save your changes. And now you can continue to play your game, and your progress will be saved automatically. If you wish to turn it off in the future, simply go back to settings, and from the general tab, you can once again disable your autosave. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable autosave on your Paralives game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.